everyone and welcome to my channel. Sorry, I'm just having some rooibos tea here from South Africa. And what goes better with rooibos tea than a super moist apple cake? It is so easy to make and it's delicious. So if you want to carry on watching more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And let's get started on the ingredients for this apple cake. Flour, sugar, water, milk and butter is for the sauce, salt, cinnamon, apples, oil, eggs. I have vanilla paste, you can use vanilla essence, and baking soda.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees with the fan and the heat up and down. In a bowl, add in the 2 eggs and whisk them well. Then place in the sugar and whisk that well. Now add in the oil, whisk again. You can do it in a machine, a Kenwood or a KitchenAid. That I just wanted to do it with a whisk and bowl to show you that how easy it is. Now add in the water. And the flour. I added the 2 cups first, whisk it up, and then I added the other half. Now the salt, whisk, and the baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, it's the same, and the cinnamon. Whisk that again, and now add in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste. I am doing a test on homemade vanilla paste. If I get it right, I will show you. Now add in the chopped apples, fold it into the mixture. I used a pan coating spray and sprayed a pan and added the mixture to the dish. Scrape out the bowl very well. Smooth out the mixture. And place it in the oven. I baked it for 30 minutes. While it is in the oven, you can do the sauce along, where I put the sugar, the milk, the butter, and the vanilla paste. Scrape out the vanilla paste well, all the goodness. Now give it a mix and let it melt. Mix it well so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And once you see it start bubbling, cook it for about a minute or 2 and take it off the heat. Insert a toothpick in the cake, and when it comes out clear without crumbs on the stick, you cannot see as it didn't focus, pour the sauce over the hot cake, so it is hot with hot. Scrape out that good sauce and cut yourself a nice big piece of apple cake. Delicious for winter. You could serve it with custard or cream, but I just like it as it is. Enjoy!
And that's the apple cake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I used green apples as they have more of a crunch and of a bite to it in the apple cake, and the sourness goes nicely as well. The red apples for me are a bit too sweet and they tend to mush up a bit more, but of course it's your preference and you can choose which apples you like. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day and be kind to one another. Bye!